Díobh cardja, is me Brónagh agus Fuiseoige and Ciorcal fuála. Today we're going to be making some felt Easter egg decorations. So in your pack you'll have green felt and yellow felt and some ribbons and buttons for decorations. So if you just begin by cutting out 2 of the egg shape, 2 of each colour. Then if you take one of the sides and if you just decorate it with some of the ribbons and the buttons, and then on the back you take another bit of ribbon and you just sew it into place to make the hook. After that you get the 2 pieces and you just attach them together using the blanket stitch. So you work your way around and then you leave a hole, and in that you put your stuff in. After that you just use your blanket stitch to secure it in place. If you just continue that round and then put a knot here, then that's them ready for hanging.